Hello everyone. Some of you may wonder if we can actually create a recipe for Grandma's chocolate fudge um, in exactly 5 minutes or less. Well, we're certainly going to give it a try. All right. Just show you how it's done with myrecipes.com. All right. First of all, let's put in the name. Grandma. Put in the name. All right. You're going to choose a category. In this case, we'll call that a dessert. Maybe more of a candy, but we're going to call it cookies just for ease of use. All right. And this is a family favorite. Fudge. Given out by Grandma for many years. How about that? All right. We'll say there are 12 servings in that. And let's create our recipe card. All right, now at this point we have all these ingredients. Well, the first thing we have is 3/4 cups of butter. So let's go to butter, unsalted. Let's do 1/4 cup and 1/2 cup, gives us 3/4. There we go. Now we have 3 cups of sugar, granulated. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I went too far. 4. Let's back it off with a right click. Excuse me. All right, 3 cups of that. And we got 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. Now we might find that easier this way. Let's just choose evaporated milk, 2/3 of a cup, click it twice, hit add ingredient. All right, now we need 12 ounces of chocolate chips semi-sweet. So let's go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, and we add that. Now I don't have marshmallow cream in here, so I tell you what we'll do. We'll come down here to the custom ingredient and say jet puffed marshmallow cream, and then do 7 OZ jar of that. Oh, you got to spell jar right. And we hit add custom ingredient, and we say 1 each. Let me drop this back down, and we add that ingredient. All right. Then we need a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's go down to vanilla extract, teaspoon, and add ingredient. Now, we need to add the instructions on how to make this stuff, and it might be kind of a hassle if we had to type all these things in. So let's just hit let me suggest. Chef Mikey goes out there, generates some instructions. All right, melt the butter, put the sugar in, put in the milk, boil it, put in the semi-sweet product. Certainly sounds good to me. Sounds like Chef Mikey knows what he's talking about. All right, then at that point, we're going to hit say recipe card. All right, now we're just about 3 minutes into the video, and we have our Grandma's chocolate fudge recipe here. We can look at it and see that it's great, except it doesn't have an image. Well, what good is an image without that? Or a recipe without an image? So let's hit add image, and we open up our image generation panel. Let's do a wide angle view. Let's do a portion. And let's put it on a, let's just see, paper plate. What? There we go. I'll call it a casual and rustic kitchen. And let's tell it to generate our prompt. All right, we'll go out there and Chef Mikey creates a prompt. Let's see. We can edit the prompt all we want. We'll say pieces of Grandma's fudge. We'll scroll down here. Let's say I'm going to let it get a little bit fun if it wants to, and use our super Chef Mikey engine to generate the image, and hit generate image. Alrighty. There we go. Beautiful pieces of fudge. Some of the ingredients around it couldn't be better. Let's add that image to the recipe. All right, and we'll come back. Oops, excuse me. Keep the video where it belongs. And we'll go down to Grandma's fudge. I think this is the last one. And there's our recipe. All right, and we are just at 4 minutes and 46 seconds on the video. So anyway, indeed it can be done within a mere 5 minutes. Have a good day.